Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are exploring the fascinating world of ChatGPT and modern SEO and how AI is transforming. Let's get started. SEO has changed dramatically. What once relied on keywords and backlinks is now driven by user intent, content quality, and delivering real value. Today, search engines understand natural language, context, and meaning. Simply targeting keywords is no longer enough to rank. A new era has arrived. Artificial intelligence is transforming how marketers research, create, and optimize content for search. At the center of this transformation is ChatGPT. It's far more than a writing assistant. It's becoming an essential SEO partner. From brainstorming ideas to planning content calendars and analyzing search intent, ChatGPT helps marketers make smarter decisions faster. The goal isn't replacing SEO experts, it's removing repetitive work so professionals can focus on strategy and creativity. SEO has evolved through three major phases: keyword optimization, quality content, and now the age of artificial intelligence. Early search engines rewarded keyword repetition. Today, they reward expertise, relevance, authority, and trust. Modern search engines don't just match keywords, they evaluate whether your content truly answers a user's question. This shift means understanding search intent is more important than simply targeting high volume keywords. SEO professionals now face growing competition, larger websites, tighter deadlines, and increasing content demands. ChatGPT helps by accelerating research, organizing ideas, and generating first drafts without replacing human expertise. Unlike traditional SEO tools, ChatGPT doesn't just present data, it helps turn information into practical actions. It can organize hundreds of keywords into logical topic clusters based on user intent and semantic relevance. It creates detailed content outlines, suggests FAQs, improves readability, and recommends internal linking opportunities. Think of ChatGPT as an experienced research assistant that works quickly but still needs human guidance. Great SEO still depends on business strategy, original research, expertise, and delivering genuine value to users. AI cannot replace subject matter experts or create authentic customer experiences on its own. The best SEO teams combine AI efficiency with human judgment to produce better results in less time. Throughout an SEO campaign, ChatGPT supports research, planning, content creation, optimization, analysis, and continuous improvement. One common myth is that AI generated content automatically ranks. That's simply not true. That's simply not true. Search engines reward helpful, original, trustworthy content, regardless of whether AI assisted in creating it. Another misconception is that ChatGPT replaces keyword research tools. In reality, they work best together. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and turn on bell. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and turn on bell. See you in the next one. Used correctly, ChatGPT boosts productivity, speeds up SEO workflows, and frees marketers to focus on strategy that drives real business growth.